Mall is packed as hell. We at the Glendale Galleria, where we're gonna start right across the street, called Nike by Glendale. Got one of Nike's retail shops. I already see some interesting stuff. It's all about returns. Look at this. Look at this. Got some interesting returns. Definitely making a YouTube short about this. Got the Levi 3s, you guys. The Levi 3s. They have 3 different colorways. This is one of them. All black upper. What size is this? 11.5. And then also got the denim color right here. This looks like a 10. Size 10. Like I said, size 10 right here. I could totally do this one, but I'm not into this one. I like that one, and I also like the... Is there a Super Bowl one? Super Bowl one? All-Star Weekend one. I don't know, but they had that tan one I really liked. That's the only one I really wanted. But size 10 right here does have that cool hang tag, Nike Air on the back, black elephant print on the back, as well as the toe guard, and of course mostly denim upper. Not bad, not bad. What are these, like $230 or something? I don't know. Don't have a retail price on it. Yeah, I really like this black one, but yeah, don't have my size. Also got the Neon 95 big bubbles. These are definitely interesting. These are what, 10.5? These are size 10 right here, so pretty freaking dope. I have these. I don't have the big bubble, but I have these from a few years ago, so not grabbing those. Also got a return on some Kobe's, size 7.5. And then do got Laker 4s right here. They had them in opening, but they only have a 7.5 now. But yeah, I'll definitely make a short. Those of you guys with small feet want these. They're interesting. They're interesting. Oh shit, I missed those right there. But they do have a few different sizes of these. I was like, I know all the resellers returned them because the resale isn't there. But yeah, got some Salesman 6s right here, $215. Got 2K4 Hirachis right here. I really like those. Then Air Max 95. This is definitely interesting. That upper is way different. Is it Gore-Tex? Feels waterproof. I don't know. 10.5. Got round laces on them too. I got a couple more returns. Got a Kobe, and then also Diamond Turf right here. And then still got the Flight Club, right? That's what these are called? Fight Club. But yeah, I do got these bad boys right here. And also got the All-Star ones right here. Got multiple trainers. These are the LeBron trainers right here. 135. I kind of like the look of these. These ain't bad. The material is interesting as well. The Valentine's Air Max 90s. Do got some Trunners. 115 for the Jordan Trunners. I guess they're dad shoes, right? They're dad shoes. Of course, plenty of the Vomero Pluses, and then they got multiple colorways of the Pegasus Premium. We have seen a few of these at the outlets, and I think Shoe Palace had one colorway on sale. Got this camo on it here. It's kind of interesting. Okay, $230 for those. The women's section, do got Valentine's Day 4s right here. These got the little leather triangles. Okay. They don't have a leather back tab, but not many do. $220 for these. Then they got multiple colorways of these monstrosities right here. I always feel like I'm high or something, or like I see triple vision. I don't know, these trip me out. $145. But yeah, kind of the same stuff as the men's. Nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy. Definitely think this is the craziest section right here. All right, back at the Glendale Galleria, and I guess we're starting to see some of these go on sale. Pretty fire. This is a women's size, but hey, they got a couple going for under retail. These normally go for $75. Holy crap! Got a few on. Damn, got all of them on sale. All of them on sale for $60. These went on sale hella quick. Holy crap! The Valentine's Day Air Max 90s. I guess that makes sense. Oh, I was like, are these these ain't the highs. These ain't the highs. I think someone, oh, in Vegas, someone showed me they had these in Vegas. The high shattered backboards had them for like 80 bucks or something like that, which is crazy. Got the D books right here. A few sizes go for 80. We knew these were gonna go on sale, right? I've been saying, hey, who are these marketed towards? Got some superstars right here, all suede. I like that suede material. That's really nice. 100 down to 80. Oh, I guess these aren't limited anymore. I see them with men's sizes right here. These will go for 190 now. The Air Max 90 big bubbles, and they have multiple sizes. They still got these. I think I'm gonna have to check the outlets. I didn't have a chance to check them out. Yeah, maybe later this weekend. Hopefully tomorrow. Dang, even these aren't selling out now? That's a good thing for me, dude. Or good thing for Kobe fans too. 2 bills. We all love it when sneakers sell out. I'm a big fan of when they do not sell out, because we could try to get them on sale or at the outlets. They got a neon colorway of the Air Max 90s right here. These don't hit as much as the 95s. 135 for these bad boys right here. Even the Kobe Air Forces on sale, 100 bucks, $20 off. A huge discount, but the fact that they're going on sale, pretty freaking dope. They've been coming out with different color blockings and different colorways. Got some patent leather bad boys right here, 125. Got some of the same but different. Another colorway of the Kobe's right here. So definitely interesting, kind of like an MPLS colorway, I guess. Has metal aglets and stuff. Yeah, 150 for these. I could look this up, but who is this a collab with? I'm trying to remember. I know they came out with different ones like this. The leather seems way nicer. 160 for these bad boys. Got the milky bottoms. I got these corduroy dunks right here. I kind of like this. Kind of like them. Do like the flat laces too. Different material laces as well. I kind of like this. Dude. 130 for these bad boys. They got the Valentine's Day ones. Then I was like, are these the 6 lows? Nah. I was like, they made the salesman 6 lows? Nah, this is the MVPs. MVPs right here. 145 down to 110. And got plenty of Jordans, including the Lakers right here. This is a 9.5. 9.5 right here. Then dude got these. Look at that. This like really interesting material. Feels like a suede. I don't think it is. But the Jordan 40s right here. This is a bread, but is it an All-Star Weekend colorway? Bread colorway, I guess. All-Star Weekend. 205 for these. And these are hilarious because everybody was going crazy over these All-Star Weekend, and then we see them like easily available. 9.5 right here. Kind of crazy. That's why you can't get caught up in the hype and the resale, that type of stuff. That's just my perspective. Next shop right here. Yeah, readily available. 8.5 right here. Jordan section right here, where that's the only thing that really stands out. The Jordan 8's on sale. Okay, maybe not the only thing that stands out, but yeah, 180. So you know, it's what, $25-$30 off. Not bad. But this also stands out. Most places definitely do not have these. The Jordan 5s. These are the fire red black tongues, and yeah, these are size 10. Size 10. Pretty freaking dope. Retails $215 on these. Still got 9s right here, $215. Got the 1s. Also got the Flight Club right there. Also got the taxis. They finally updated the Adidas section right here. It looks pretty modern and nice. Selection still kind of the same stuff that we've seen over and over. They got their version of the Rejuvenate right here. Go for $75. Got a new walking shoe, the Goyukana or something, $160. Patent leather campus, patent leather Hardens right there. Coming out with some Air Max 90 or Air Max 1 slides right here. Over $75. And everybody's got these Kobe's now. We're going back before the pandemic when Kobe's were readily available. We used to find these at the outlets, not this colorway, but all the Kobe ones, Kobe 4s, Kobe 5s. We used to see all of them at the outlets. Got some Huarache trainers right here, 120. These normally go for what, 140, 145, something like that. Got two more stores. They got a gray colorway of the Air Max 95 big bubbles, including these right here. And I guess they came out with a whole neon line right here, 190 for the Air Max Plus. And are we starting to see Vomero Pluses on sale? I know it's not a huge discount, but 180 down to 150. Got multiple colorways. This is the women's section right here. Pretty freaking dope. $30 off. It's like what, almost 20%, like 17%, something like that. As well as these right here, the Pegasus Premium. I'm gonna be honest, those way more comfortable. Way more comfortable. But these look dope though. Might be dope for casual. We're seeing a ton of new colorways. I got all kinds of colorways of these pluses right here. And then seeing the Vomero 18s for way cheap as well. Look at this, look at this. All right, maybe not crazy cheap, but decent price. Remember, because this is the retail shops, and at the outlets we're seeing them for a little bit cheaper. And of course the women's section, we're seeing them on sale. So gotta check the men's. Oh, and we're seeing even bigger discounts. And this isn't just a huge size because they have a more regular size, I think. No, they're both kind of bigger sizes. 11 and a half. But, oh, these are the 18s. I thought these were the pluses. But yeah, okay, we got little sales. We saw this one at Chic. I think we saw these for like $100, something like that. We've seen this one on sale for a minute. Vomero 18s, as well as some new colorways. This one and this one right here, 140, 130, and then so starting to see sales. If you're patient, they'll go down even more. But it is a start. Kind of like an Air Max 95 neon kind of colorway, I guess. So in the women's section, we do see Vomero Pluses on sale. The men's, we just see Vomero 18s. And yeah, we do see Pluses, but not on sale yet. And they've been pushing these indoor soccer shoes Nike has, the Total 90s right here. Starting to see them on sale because soccer stuff doesn't move that much in the US compared to like the basketball stuff. They got other colorways as well. And apparently they got a new colorway of these Jaw 3s right here. This is definitely an interesting colorway. Yellow to blue. 125 for those. They got some more. I was gonna say mild, but this one's not even that mild either. They got some other colorways for 135. Jordan section right here, and I'm telling you, man, do not fall into the hype of, oh, I need to get them early, I need to pay resale, because they're readily available. This matches with all your Lakers gear and stuff. And I'm just not grabbing too many Jordan retros right now unless I really need them, because I do have like close to 20 colorways of the Jordan 4s. Do I really need 20 colorways? Probably not. Got a nice little healthy Jordan retro section. Look at this. Got the Rare Air 3s right here. I haven't seen this in any other spot in the mall. If you like this color, like, material's not bad. Kind of like tumbled leather a little bit more, or more tumbled leather because it's kind of tumbled. And then do got these bad boys right here. I think they had these at one other spot. I forgot which one. But yeah, they got some stuff. And of course, I had to check for the 70% off racks. Don't see any. So we can talk about what I'm wearing. Do got some Air More Up Tempo. It's like 80 something degrees outside, so just threw on some slides because I was kind of running out the house. Went to World of Racing where they do sim racing. They have those really nice sim racing setups, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, my kid has a membership, so we go there at least once a week. Actually, we've been going there twice a week. And then dropped my kid off at round one before I came here. So yeah, super casual, tank top, shorts, slides. I don't know, I feel like I wear this all summer. I just realized I haven't showed you guys World of Racing, which is funny because my kid goes there so often. But yeah, we got our last sneaker shop here. Oh man, my legs are dying. I did leg day yesterday. My legs are dying. I didn't even do that much, man. It's like hard to squat down. But do you got Hokas on sale? Clifton 10s in multiple colorways, going for $30 off. the 20% discount. Not too bad, not too bad. Decent colorways. Then they got one right here as well. Not bad, not bad. They're being sold at more places, so I think we're gonna start seeing more and more sales because that means there's more places to get them, and yeah, there should be more sales. That's what's up. That's what's up. I didn't know how to explain all that, but yeah, dude got Bondi 9s as well. This is the latest. Damn, it moved up to 175. Damn, dude. The Bondi 9s are supposed to be way better than the Bondi 8s. Yeah, it feels way more cushiony. So I have the Bondi 8s and they're pretty hard. I don't think I explained. Those are the Mafate Speeds. Starting to see some of the SL2s. Only $20 off though. Dang, they're selling out of their Jordans like more than Foot Locker and Champs. That's kind of interesting. This is interesting because this is the only spot where I've seen these bad boys. I think they might be early. I don't think these have released, have they? I don't think they did. But yeah, do got the Air Max Up-Tempos. Air Max Up-Tempo, aka Up-Tempo 95. I always call these Up-Tempo 95s, but dude got these bad boys right here. 170. These are not good for white feet, gang. I have a couple of pair of these and I can't wear them because they're just too restricting side to side. They're narrow, and then they got this overlay right here, and it's super tight. Yeah, I have one of these patent leather ones, and it's just hella tight. But if your feet are narrow, I freaking love those. Got the AE2s on sale. We've been seeing these on sale, kind of interesting. The ones were hot. Seems like the second one's cooled down quite a bit. You got the Harden 10s right here, multiple colorways, 160. Oh snap, I didn't think they had a sale section. They do have one right here. And winter stuff starting to go on sale, starting to get warm as hell outside. Only $20 off though. Come on now. Got some of the, what are these, the cloud surfers? I don't really know on cloud like that. I do like these bad boys right here. Damn, regular price up to $100 now. Damn, everything's been going up, so we can't really complain too much, but just kind of sucks. I remember when these were like 80, 85 bucks and stuff retail, but I am old as hell, so I remember like when Big Mac combos were like $3 and stuff. So I guess just because I saw them cheap a while back, not necessarily the greatest indicator of inflation and just sucking. But during the pandemic, dude, like, I don't think some of you guys realize how bad, some of the young people realize how bad inflation was. Like, stuff doubled in price, almost doubled in price, which is kind of crazy. Worst inflation since like the 70s and stuff, which is kind of crazy. Do got Air Max, or the Vomero Plus right here on sale, 160. So we are starting to see these on sale at a lot of spots. Pretty dope. I can't, oh, Nikes. Just like, I don't know. Let's do that. Oh, there we go. But yeah, I think that's about it. I see sale signs, but like $10 off and stuff like that. Nothing too substantive. Checking the women's and even the kids section. Nothing too crazy, to be honest. I think we're done. Out here in Glendale, and of course we had to stop by Nike and look at some of the stuff that we see. Got some fire returns, including these Air Max 95 neon big bubbles. These are size 10. And they got two different colorways of the Levi's. These are size 10 right here. And they got multiple sizes of these bad boys. Those have been returning these Levi's right here. So they have the black ones with the denim overlay as well as toe guard. Got the Nike Air on back. And I just realized the tab on here has denim cover. It does have a denim cover. And even that one doesn't have it. Holy cow, that's interesting. Alright, got plenty more coming, you guys. Cool YouTube channel. Got a full video coming out soon.